evening, friends. In this particular video, let me showcase to you as to how many ways are there to go ahead with the installation of the Google Colaboratory. So I welcome you all to this particular video walk off with me. Now here, first and foremost, is the direct installation, wherein the way I discovered it, just go ahead, open the Google page, and in that, write down in the search bar, Google Colaboratory, and the moment you see the first link that comes out through the Google search is the direct link, and the link is https :// collab.research.google.com, again /notebooks /welcome.ipynb, which stands for interface for Python notebook. So if you click on this particular link, you will be directed towards the collab page, and there you can go ahead and you can start coding or know more about the Colaboratory also. So let me come back to you with yet another part wherein I can show you as to what is the second way to go ahead and do the installation. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.